Today I'll be working with this piece of apricot wood. A buddy of mine picked it up from a friend's farm. My objective here is to see if I can't get a small candle holder out of it. We'll see how it goes. I hope you folks enjoy this video. I had to stop. The spur cup center that I'm using is not really biting into the wood. I'm going to replace it with one that has more teeth and I'll get a better bite. We'll see how that works out. Now it's time to brand the piece. For the pieces that don't have a mortise, I usually put a brand on the bottom. So this is the brand that I'm currently using. By the way, this piece came out to be 5.5 by 4 inches in center. Came out really nice. The grain's awesome. No complaints. Good size. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.